Here we go. Friday update. Tales from the microwave. There he is, ding ding. Featuring Nige, my new ratchet. Hey, alright. Got the yellow on, hard grip. 3/8 flexi head ratchet, so you can't be massively. I've got the long version, I've also got the short version, but I thought, oh, we'll go mid-size as well. So I've got all three. So we love a good ratchet. Yeah, update from work side of things. Software updates, got plenty of them going on. I've got about 3 jobs going on at any one time. So we're going to write this week off as a shit week because it has been the whole week. It's been an absolute clusterfuck. That's the best way of putting it. It's been a nightmare. I'm always trying to be positive, but I just seem to be against a brick wall and a big ceiling at the minute and I can't get past. It's very, very difficult. The motor trade is quite an hard place. It's quite relentless. Takes its toll on the body, takes its toll on the mind. Yeah, so it's not always easy to be in a great mood, guys. I do try my very, very best, but it's hard. It's hard work. Guys, this is Tail from the microwave. He's going to let me know my porridge is ready in a sec. Cheeky little mint protein as well. Enjoy your weekend, guys. See you soon.